Good morning to one and all. Today I am here to explain you the preparation of colloids. Preparation of colloids can be done by various methods. First method is a chemical method. Second method is electrical disintegration method, and it is also known as Briggs arc effect या Briggs arc method. And third one is peptidation. So first we are going to study the chemical method. So chemically, how we can prepare colloids? Colloids can be prepared chemically with the help of some of the processes like decomposition, reduction, oxidation and hydrogenation. And second process we are going to study is the electrical disintegration or Briggs arc method. This electrical disintegration method is also known as Briggs arc method because in this process we are using arc. The experiment which we are doing in this electrical disintegration method, there is a use of arc, so this process is known as Briggs arc effect. In this process, how we do is that this process is mainly used for the preparation of gold and silver because these are heavy metals and these metals cannot be molded easily. So with the help of electric disintegration, what we are doing? We are melting these heavy metals because without electrical method, these metals cannot be melted. So what we are going to do in this method is first, this electric arc is struck between the electrodes, means this arc is dipped in an dispersion medium, and the two arcs, one is this one positive sign one is cathode and negative one is anode. These two electrodes are being made and these are also dipped in water, that is a dispersion medium. As soon as we give an electric charge to this arc gets heated and it generates heat. When it generates heat, what happens? These electrodes, which are made up of metals, they get what? They get melt. They get melt and form vapors near the ice bath. Why we are using this ice cube bath? We are using this ice cube bath so that the temperature at which this process is going on does not get affected by atmospheric pressure. Temperature remains constant where this process has been going on. So what it does, this vapor gets stuck near the walls of the tube, and when these vapor gets stuck on the walls of these bath, they get cooled with the effect of these ice. When these vapors get cooled and they settle down in the water and forms an colloidal solution. So this process is known as electrical disintegration process, and because of using arcs, this process is known as Briggs arc method, and this method has been given by a scientist or developed by a scientist, that is Briggs. So this method is known as Briggs arc method. Now third we are going to study is the peptidation method. In peptidation method, what we are going to do is that in this method, freshly prepared PPT, whichever element we are taking, its freshly prepared PPT is converted into colloidal solution. But how we can convert this solution, this freshly prepared solution in colloidal solution? By shaking it, by shaking this freshly prepared PPT with the help of an electrolyte, that is known as a peptizing agent, and this after shaking it in a dispersion medium, it becomes an colloidal solution, and the agent